Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, I am going to talk more about how timestamp function works in PySpark. So there are a lot of functions which are available which is related to the timestamp. So we will see one by one in this exercise. This current timestamp function is used to get the current timestamp. This format is the default format of the timestamp. Whenever you are not going to define any format and we are using this current timestamp function to get the current timestamp, the format will be in this. To timestamp function is used to convert a string into timestamp. The same way, same thing. If you have a string, if you have a timestamp in the string format, you can convert it into the timestamp with the help of a to timestamp function. These hours, minutes, seconds function are used to get hours, minutes, and second respectively. So suppose there is a timestamp. Okay, and if you want to get what is the hour, what is the minute, and what is the seconds out of it, we can use hours, minutes, and second function. So in this exercise, what we are going to do, we are just importing all the required libraries. Here we are creating a data frame with the help of a spark.range, and here we are just creating a new column ap current timestamp. So it will populate it with the current timestamp function. This is ap to timestamp. What it is going to do with the help of a to timestamp function, it has a string. It will going to convert in this format, and this will be of timestamp data type. If you want to get the hour with the help of an hour function, we can get the hour. With the help of a minute, we can get the minute from the timestamp. With the help of the second, we are going to get the second of the current timestamp. So let's see how it's going to work in Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Name it as timestamp. Let's connect this notebook with our currently running cluster. First, let's import all the required libraries. From PySpark.sql.function import star. Let's create a data frame with the help of a spark.range function. ap data underscore df spark.range. We are going to create only 10 records in it. Let's see the content. Display. So this is the content of this data frame. Now let's see how different timestamp function will going to work. Let's do it in this data frame only. Dot with column. We are going to create one column named ep current timestamp. How it will going to populate? It will populate with current timestamp function, and we are showing the content of this data frame. Let's run it. We can see this is the current timestamp. Let's make it truncate is equal to false. Now see, this is the full current timestamp it is showing. Let's see how to timestamp function is going to work. Dot with column. Here I am going to create one column name as ep to timestamp. to timestamp it. So there is a string 31.12.2022 and then 0910.12. This string we want to convert into this format. What is the format? db.mm.yyyy space hh.mm.ss. So this is a string. Okay, with the help of this timestamp function, we are going to convert this string into timestamp. Let's run it. Okay, we need to show truncate is equal to false. Let's run it. Let's see. Okay, it is saying null. So maybe I have made some mistake. Let me check again. Okay, this we have make in double colon. It should be dot. Now see, this is converted into this. This string is converted into data frame. No data frame. This string has been converted into the timestamp with the help of this format. Let's see if you want to get the hour, minutes and seconds, how we can do that. We are going to create one column name as hour. On top of that, what I am just doing, I am using the hour function to get the current hour from this timestamp. So we can see that this is the current hour of current timestamp. It is not visible that what is the timestamp. So here let's current timestamp function, let's use it. Then we can able to figure it out. Okay, positional but found 4 with column. So this is the with column. We can see this is the timestamp. Okay, this is the current timestamp which we have taken, and here what is the hour is 7. So that's why here if we are just fetching the hour from the current timestamp, it is getting 7. Let's see if you want to fetch the minute from the current timestamp, how you can do it. Let's rename this column as minute, and instead of our function we need to use minutes. Let's run this. So this is the minute. What is the minute? Current minute is 48. If you want to fetch the current, what is the second of the current timestamp, we need to use this second function. See, this is the second of this current timestamp. So in this video we have seen that how we can use timestamp and different kind of a timestamp function like current timestamp, to timestamp, how to get the current hour, minute and second from the current timestamp. Let's go to the PPT. Okay, thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.